Imagine a land where fire and ice coexist, where the northern lights dance in the night sky, and where geysers erupt in a spectacle of nature's power. Welcome to Iceland, a place that refuses to be forgotten. This is a country where nature reigns supreme. A place where the landscapes are as varied as they are stunning, from the ice-capped peaks of the glaciers to the geothermal hot springs that dot the countryside. Here you'll find waterfalls that cascade down cliffs with a majestic ease, lava fields that stretch out like a black sea under the midnight sun, and geysers that put on a show for anyone willing to wait. But it's not just the landscapes that make Iceland unique. It's also home to an array of wildlife that's as diverse as it is fascinating. Puffins nest on cliff edges, seals bask on ice floes, and reindeer roam the highlands. This is a country where you can watch whales breach in the morning, see seals lounging in the afternoon, and catch the northern lights dancing in the evening. And let's not forget about the culture that's so deeply rooted in this land. From the ancient sagas that tell tales of Viking settlers to the modern-day festivals that celebrate everything from the summer solstice to the winter darkness, Iceland's culture is as rich and vibrant as its landscapes. Now, imagine embarking on a road trip that takes you all around this remarkable island. Starting in the bustling city of Reykjavik, you'll journey around the Ring Road, a route that circles the country, taking in all of its beauty along the way. You'll experience the magic of the Golden Circle, the wonders of the South Coast, the majesty of the North, and so much more. So are you ready? Ready to explore a country that's like no other, a place where every turn in the road reveals a new marvel, a new adventure? Buckle up as we embark on an unforgettable journey through the land of the midnight sun. Our journey begins in Reykjavik, a city that is as vibrant and lively as it is quaint and charming. Picture a place where colorful houses pop against a backdrop of snow-capped mountains and the sparkling sea. That's Reykjavik. Delve into the city's bustling food scene, where you can sample everything from traditional Icelandic dishes to innovative fusion cuisine. Don't miss out on tasting the fresh seafood and locally brewed craft beers. Let's not forget the city's unique landmarks. There's the Hallgrímskirkja Church, an architectural marvel that towers over the city, its design inspired by the basalt lava flows of Iceland's landscape. And then there's the Harpa Concert Hall, a gem of modern architecture with its dazzling play of light and geometry. Reykjavik is a city that beautifully blends the old with the new, the traditional with the contemporary. But Reykjavik is just the beginning, as the real adventure lies beyond the city limits. As we leave the city behind, we find ourselves on the Golden Circle, a route that encapsulates some of Iceland's most stunning natural wonders. Journeying along this well-trodden route, our first stop is the Geysir geothermal area. Here, the Earth's crust is thin, and the heat from the Earth's core bubbles to the surface, creating a landscape that feels otherworldly. The most famous geyser, Strákur, erupts approximately every 10 minutes. Sending a plume of boiling water and steam up to 30 meters into the air. It's a spectacle that never fails to amaze, a testament to the untamed power that lies just beneath our feet. Next, we journey to Gullfoss Waterfall, a sight that will leave you breathless. The Hadvita River takes a dramatic plunge into a deep, rugged canyon, creating a cascade of water that is both powerful and enchanting. Gullfoss, or Golden Falls, gets its name from the golden hue that often colors its waters in the sunlight. This waterfall is not just a picturesque wonder but also a symbol of Iceland's environmental conservation efforts, having been saved from hydroelectric development in the early 20th century. Finally, we arrive at Thingvellir National Park, a site steeped in history and geological significance. It is here that the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates are slowly drifting apart, creating a rift valley that is visible to the naked eye. This is also the site of the world's first parliament, established by the Vikings in the 10th century. As you walk through this park, you are literally walking through time, witnessing the slow, relentless forces that shape our planet and the historical events that have shaped our society. As we witness the raw power and beauty of these natural wonders, we are reminded of why Iceland is truly a land like no other. Heading south, we encounter a coastline that is as rugged as it is beautiful. Iceland's south coast is a treasure trove of natural wonders, each more breathtaking than the last. Let's embark on this journey together, shall we? Our first stop is the Black Sand Beach at Vik. This isn't like any beach you've ever seen. Instead of golden sands, here, you'll find a stretch of ebony grains, a stark contrast to the white surf of the Atlantic waves. It's a scene that's as mysterious as it is enchanting. Next, we find ourselves amidst the stunning waterfalls of Seljalandsfoss and Skogafoss. Seljalandsfoss, a slender cascade of water, plunges 60 meters from an ancient sea cliff, offering a rare opportunity to walk behind its shimmering curtain. Skogafoss, on the other hand, is a more powerful spectacle. With a drop of 60 meters and a width of 25 meters, it's a sight that resonates with the raw power of nature. The rainbows that often form in the waterfall's mist are just icing on the cake, adding another layer of magic to the spectacle. But the South Coast wonders do not end there. We continue our journey to the Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. Here, colossal icebergs calved from the nearby glacier float in a serene dance. Their blue and white forms mirror the sky above and create a scene that's nothing short of ethereal. If you listen closely, you can hear the occasional crack and splash as pieces break off and crash into the lagoon. It's a stark reminder of the constant evolution of this remarkable landscape. Each of these locations offers a unique perspective on the untamed beauty of Iceland's south coast. From the black sands of Vik to the thundering waterfalls and the quiet majesty of the Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, every stop is a feast for the senses. Each turn in the road unveils a new spectacle, a testament to the untamed beauty of this land. As we journey north, we enter a realm where the landscapes take on an otherworldly quality. The north of Iceland is a spectacular showcase of nature's finest work, where each vista seems to outdo the one before. Our first stop in this frozen paradise is Mývatn, a geothermal wonderland that's home to a dazzling variety of volcanic formations. Here the land bubbles and hisses, a testament to the raw, unbridled power beneath the Earth's crust. It's an area of stark contrasts, where steaming vents and bubbling mud pools coexist with serene lakes and lush wetlands, creating a landscape that feels like it's been plucked straight from a science fiction novel. Next, we journey to Húsavík, a charming seaside town often hailed as the whale-watching capital of Europe. Here, the waters teem with life, and on a good day, you might spot humpback whales, minke whales, and even the majestic blue whale, the largest animal to ever live on our planet. But it's not just about the whales. Húsavík is also renowned for its picturesque harbor, quaint wooden church, and the warm hospitality of its people. Our final destination in the north is the awe-inspiring Dettifoss waterfall. Known as the most powerful waterfall in Europe, Dettifoss is a sight to behold. The thunderous roar of the water cascading down is a reminder of the sheer force of nature, a spectacle that leaves even the most seasoned travelers humbled. This is the majestic north, a place where nature is the greatest artist, and every corner holds a new marvel waiting to be discovered. It's a region that challenges our perceptions of what's possible in the natural world, and leaves us yearning to uncover more of its secrets. As our road trip draws to a close, we are left with a sense of awe and admiration for this incredible land. It's a place that captures our imagination and stays with us long after we've left its shores. It's a testament to the untamed beauty of Iceland, a country that never ceases to amaze. As we return to Reykjavik, we reflect on the unforgettable journey we have undertaken. From the bustling city life of Iceland's capital to the serene beauty of the Golden Circle, our road trip has been nothing short of a magical adventure. We've experienced the South Coast's wonders, marveling at the sheer power of nature and the breathtaking beauty of the majestic north. We've walked the paths of the ancient Vikings, soaked in geothermal pools under the midnight sun, and witnessed the otherworldly beauty of the northern lights. We've savored the unique flavors of Icelandic cuisine and felt the warmth and hospitality of the Icelandic people. Every stop on our journey presented a new vista, a new story, a new perspective. And although we've covered a lot of ground, there's still so much more to discover. Such is the allure of this incredible island. Iceland, with its stunning landscapes and rich culture, has left an indelible mark on our hearts, a land that truly is a world unto itself.